Daddy Dano here.
A day in our life without Mommy Macy. Tomorrow we go to Lolo and Lola Jess. Lola Dina and Lola Jess, okay?
Good night.
Tomorrow pa.
Oh, yes, right.
Okay? Ride tayo, white car. Go to?
You sit there.
Go to?
Good night. Good night.
Tomorrow.
I just don't want my tire.
Tomorrow we go to Lolo and Lola.
I don't know.
Mommy in the other country. You wait for her, okay? 4 days, okay? After you eat, you go upstairs na Dad will shower, okay? Yes. Airplane.
Guys, Daddy Dano out. Enjoy watching.